Assalamu alaikum. It's me Abdul Wahab with a new video tutorial. And today video tutorial I'm gonna tell you something interesting and something informative. I hope you will be okay and you will doing great. And I hope you will enjoy the videos a lot. Before going to video, I will request you to like and subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well.
In the very beginning, I was one of them who had confusion about the reality, that why it smelled pleasantly, and what are the reason behind the pleasant aroma that is generating after rain. So to avoid the confusion, I have made the video. So I hope you will find the video informative. Before going to video, I would request you to like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well.
So there are many reasons behind the fact, but we are gonna discuss only three the most valid and the most acceptable reasons over here in today's video tutorial. Let's move toward the video.
So the first one is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm can cross the ozone layer and due to highly electric charge at separate and at disengage the ozone molecule from one another. Some of the ozone molecule remain in atmosphere, and when it rains, so it makes with raindrop. And when the raindrop comes on earth, so it generate a smell, a special smell. Most of the people believes that ozone smells like chlorine, and it smells, a pungent smell is generating by the ozone. So when it mixes with the rain and it comes on earth, so it will definitely generate a special aroma. So the second one is plants oil. Plants secrete some special oil or chemical into the atmosphere. It remains in the atmosphere when it dry. When it rains, it mixes with raindrops and comes on earth. After coming on earth, so it mixes with the raindrops, and the special and pleasant aroma is arises on earth. So the second reason was plants oil. So the third and the most valid reason is microbial activity or bacterial activity, particularly actinomycetes, a bacteria that almost reside in moist, and we can say in moisture and moist places and soil particularly. So it secrete, according to a study, it secrete a chemical or metabolite, which is geosmin. Geosmin is a chemical having formula C11H22O. This is its chemical formula. This is a chemical that actinomycete is produced in soil particularly, and it's present in soil in most places. So when it rains, according to a study which was conducted in 2015 by an Australian institute, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, according to them, when raindrops comes on earth, so bubble is generated, or when it touch with the porous places, so a bubble is generated, and the geosmin chemical also present in soil before. So when it touch with the earth, we can say with soil, so the geosmin chemical mixed with water drop or with raindrop, and it comes to the top of the raindrop and a bubble is generated. When the bubble is generated, it bursts off due to air. After bursting, it makes with it release into atmosphere and mix with raindrop, we can say, and the pleasant aroma is arises. So this was the most valid reason. So what is petrichor? So the pleasant smell that is generated after rain is called petrichor. Petrichor is the aroma that is almost produced after warm, dry weather. When it rains after long duration of dryness or warm weather, so the pleasant aroma is produced. This particularly aroma is called petrichor.